The Kawasaki Heavy Industries Ltd. 30c65e-a010 is a multi-axis robot controller used at the final stage of wafer inspection at one of ERD's semiconductor fabs. This controller was clearly smoked out on multiple power supplies and required an extensive rebuild before it would operate. The rebuild process involves the complete breakdown of the system into its subassemblies, which requires detailed pictures and notes in order to ensure nothing is forgotten. Each subassembly is rebuilt with new parts, and upon completion, if possible, it is individually tested for operation. Some subassemblies are not able to run on their own, so not all will be fully tested. Any that fail the initial test will be troubleshot and then repaired, with final tests performed before being put back into the entire system. After all preliminary checks and rebuild, the entire system is then rebuilt as original. After this stage, the system is ready for running as a complete system.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.